Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 1st. Well, we saw a market that got high enough to find some sellers. The Russell was leading these indices, but we've also had a softening of GDP around the globe, and we're seeing that reflected in these markets. Not surprising information actually, but what does this say to us? It's what I call an equal and opposite, and it implies a down day for Monday. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at the currencies. The Japanese yen here traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, $375 a contract. And down here in the Canadian dollar, it also traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here is $800 a contract. I'm looking for both, and again, that's just for your reference, but I'm looking for both of these markets to continue weaker on Friday. Let's talk about weakness. Let's look at the bond market. I like what we're seeing, and I'm looking for more of the same on Friday, but it could be bouncy. But let's take a look at copper. You know, this is a market that I mentioned to you yesterday. This green candle is not really a sign of strength. I think we talked about it, or maybe it was in the advanced video, but anyways, this does imply a down move. I think that makes sense in light of the global fundamentals that we're seeing. But let's talk about nat gas. It firmed up. I feel like it's all dressed up to go, but where's the party? I don't really see this. Could we get some follow through? Yes, but an up move here I just don't think is sustainable. But if we look at corn, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change, $200 a contract. And I do look for an inside to only slightly higher movement on Friday. Same thing for the wheat market. Buyers did come back in. Magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels is $200 a contract. I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the upside, but follow through up would be expected. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.